to walk together, experienced a new...
On June the 20th, the Vatican presented the working document for the Synod on Synodality, the Instrumentum Laboris. The paper, which is 70 pages long, records the results of the consultations that have previously taken place at the level of the local churches and already lays down some foundations for the work of the two-part General Assembly of Bishops that will meet in Rome in October of 2024.
The text of the Instrumentum Laboris has no pretense to be a theological treaty about synodality. The text does not give answers, but merely put questions. The text is like a cooking book. The chief cooks receive that book together with some ingredients. Their mission is to put the different ingredients together in order to please the different palates. An impossible task, you might think, if in the background the Holy Spirit is not guiding us to find a new food harmony. Harmony, consensus, led by the Spirit. Those are words which describe the way this text has to be used.
The motto of the Synod on Synodality is "For a Synodal Church, Communion, Participation, and Mission." The new document emphasizes that the purpose of the synodal process is not to produce documents, but to open horizons of hope for the fulfillment of the Church's mission. In addition to various reflections on synodality, there are also 15 worksheets in the Instrumentum Laboris to serve as a stimulus for personal reflection and prayer for the participants of the Synod.
We do not work like a parliament. That's not this process of the Synod does not function in that way. We speak so much about faithfulness to the Holy Spirit. We speak about communion. And we are at the service of communion.
The next phase will take place from October the 4th to the 29th, 2023, when the General Assembly of Bishops will meet in Rome.